interest is in ordinary people who manage to do the extraordinary.
There are others who have an idea for what you should do or what you should be. And this is a story about finding your passion.
Julian Guthrie is here. She is an author and an award-winning staff writer for the San Francisco Chronicle.
And she now writes best-selling books that have the plot and pacing of fiction, but are very, very real.
Her latest book is called How to Make a Spaceship.
It tells the story of a cast of characters who dreamed of bringing space to the masses.
She is currently working on a book that is going to be near and dear to all of our hearts called Alpha Girls, coming out in 2019, which is about women in Silicon Valley.
You decided, I'm going to devote a year and a half of my life to tell this story. And it's not an easy story to tell. It's rocket science, for goodness sake.
So imagine this little boy, he's in his pajamas, he's sitting too close to the screen, Walter Cronkite is narrating.
Was completely transfixed as he watched man set foot on another celestial body for the first time. He's told no 150 times. Why isn't NASA doing this? What if someone dies?
Great characters, big dreams, improbable innovations, really cool technology, all of this having to come together in a moment to see if history can be made, and an industry launched.
The only way to get ahead is to find errors in conventional wisdom. And if you flip it around, you find answers in the unconventional.
Follow your passion. Take big chances. Small teams do big things.
Can you give us maybe just like a little nuggets of the takeaways that you got from these women?
I've already learned so much about where and how women succeed. And there are amazing women who work in tech, who love their jobs, who are succeeding. So you hear so much negativity around women in Silicon Valley and women in tech. But these are women who loved their role in helping to shape the future. So I hope that they will attach themselves and say, well, they did it and I can too. Technology is just a part of it, but I'm always driven in my storytelling, and this I think is true for companies, for journalists, for anyone trying to convey a message, is to find what the human interest is, to find the people behind the message. And their stories are always fascinating.
The impossible that was suddenly made possible. Dream big, change the world.
It's a crazy story, it's an improbable story, it's a very inspiring story, and it's a true story. Be a hero in your own life, and as you return to your families, your friends, your teams, inspire others to choose to be extraordinary. Thank you so much for your time.